The spare is back together. The got the Z-zip on it. Put a little bit more on to seal it, and it's all blown up to 40 pounds per square inch. And probably test it in a couple weeks and then month or something like that, just to make sure it's holding good. I'm gonna keep it in the back. If I need room for firewood, I'll just pull it out before we go get it. Not going far anyways. And honestly, I haven't used this in 18 years, so I'm hoping I don't have to use it, but you never know. Also tested the air pressure. A couple of them were a little bit low, although it could depend on the gauge we were using. Not much, so added a little bit of air. The one definitely was not low. It might have been high on the other gauge even. But so we're all looking good there. I'll do the inside of them when I'm underneath cleaning. I've been thinking about some air pressure to clean underneath before I Z-zip more of it. But overall, truck's looking great, riding really good. We've done several loads of wood with it now. Good size load. The tonneau cover isn't bad. We've been taking the tonneau cover, rolling it up, and then putting a tarp in. And that way, after we're done unloading, we just grab the tarp on each side, pull it off, all the wood chips come off. I don't have to sweep the liner or anything, and it's all out of there. It's just faster cleanup, and the tarp's about the right size, so it's really not in the way loading or unloading. So there we go. 18-year-old truck, rehabbed, and not totally done yet. There's a few more things, but it's looking great and come a long way with it. And now I need to work on some other projects, and this will be kind of a side thing now. Here and there I'll do more to it.